You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy. You made me feel so. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a unboxing review with this backpack in the bag by the name of EVMYO. So I'll go ahead and show you the details of the bag and give you the price and all that. This is their 447 large carry-on backpack, large travel backpack for men or women, and it also airline approved as well. So it is expandable and you can use it like a little luggage, okay? And the price of the moment is $59.98. This is how the backpack is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it so you can see all the details inside of the bag. So first I'll go in. You have this section right here. So you have this section and you can put all that stuff right here. You still have another pocket, right? It came with 3 storage bags that you can use to classify and store your clothing, and it also has this shoe separator. So it has a medium and a large storage bag, and it also has the little clear bag you can use for your toiletries. This is how the middle compartment is looking, and by looking at this is the part you would pack your clothes in, and you would use this part just to put on top of your clothing to make sure they're nice and neat. So this is another storage section that can be used to pack all those goodies when you're going on vacation or just for everyday use. This little part right here, you can go in. This is the part you would place your laptop or your tablet if you're traveling, and it can hold up to a 17.3-inch laptop or a 12.9-inch iPad. So you don't have to worry, guys. Just sort and place your items with ease. No need that it is going to damage. Here you have an extendable zipper that you can use if you need extra storage space. I think this is a very cool idea because you know you're going on vacation and you want to pack a lot of stuff. This is very cool, you are. So now I'm going to pack this pillow in the bag. Well, this is what I have at end so you can see the capacity of the bag. Pack this pillow in the backpack. You also have a strap you can open. You can open the strap, and you still have you can put stuff in here. Right here, you still have space right here. You can pack stuff. You have another little opening right here. You can put stuff in one right here, and you still have this big one you can put stuff in also. I'll go in and add another pillow to the backpack. This is how the backpack looks, guys. And you still have space. You can put more stuff in. You still have a little zipper out the side here.
And you have a handle, so you can put it like a little suitcase. So this is the handle. This is quite nice, you all. I love how sturdy it is, and there's still enough space because right here you can put your water in it, so it is cool. On the zipper have a side right here, right here, right here, and you go into the same thing right here. In this section, you could hide the padded shoulders. If you're going to carry the backpack as a luggage, this is perfect for you to hide the shoulders if you want to do so. These are some of the ways you can wear the backpack on your back like this. Yeah, nice and cool. It is well padded and nice and comfy. The color is nice, and you can even extend. You can even extend it right here. So you can extend that part and zip it up like this. And you still have space at the bottom. This is the backpack you all. You can hold it right here. You can hold it right here like this. Hold it right there. This is a beautiful color, and it's also available in two other colors, a black and a olive green, so you can choose from all three colors. The price of the bag at this moment is, I think it's $59. Don't quote me on that, you all. I'll leave all that in the description down below. So if you're interested in this bag, you all, I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud.